Hey, how's it going? So over the past few months my spindle has been sounding pretty bad. I've been thinking that the bearings have been going bad in it and I might need to replace it. I've been putting it off because getting a rebuilt one can cost around $3,000 and getting a new one is around $6,000 just for the spindle itself, not counting labor to replace it. But over this past weekend it was sounding really bad and I was thinking, I don't know if I can keep running it like this. I may need to actually make a decision on getting that replaced. So I decided to actually take the shrouds off and take a look at it and see if I can pinpoint where the noise is coming from before I replace it. And what I found out was pretty interesting, so let's take a look at this. So in here, I noticed I was spinning the spindle around, it felt smooth, and I took the shrouds off and I turned it on to see if the noise is coming from the motor or the spindle. And what I found out was the noise is actually coming from right in here where these belts are at. There was a bunch of stickiness that got in there from running over the years. Probably from some coolant mist getting in there and drying up. And the noise was actually just coming from those belts and the stickiness of the belts. So that was a relief to find out. But then I was like, I don't want to run this thing sounding like the bearings are going bad all the time. So what I did was I sprayed in some belt conditioner in there to try and get it a little bit less sticky, and that seems to have helped a little bit. Now it would be nice to actually go in there and clean off the components, but as you can see, that's a tight space in there and I may need to do quite a bit of disassembly to get at those components, and I don't really want to do that. So I'll just keep in mind that it's not the actual spindle that's going bad, it's just the noise coming from the sticky belts. So save myself some time and some money, back up and running, and let's get it done. Take it easy, have a good one, bye.